Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make cookies recipe only way. Begin by creaming room temperature butter with both white and brown sugar until light and fluffy, then add eggs one at a time and vanilla. Combine flour, salt, and baking soda and mix until just combined. Overmixing makes cookies tough. Fold in chocolate chips, scoop uniform portions, chill the dough for at least 30 minutes, then bake until edges are golden and center still soft. Keep it simple and practical. Always use room temperature butter and eggs so the batter emulsifies smoothly and yields tender cookies. When measuring flour, spoon into the cup and level with a knife to avoid dense results from packing. Chilling the dough firms the butter and concentrates flavors. I usually chill for 30 to 60 minutes. Scoop evenly sized balls for consistent baking and rotate the pan halfway through baking for even browning. If you're enjoying the tips so far, please subscribe and hit like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation: if you want a fun kitchen companion gift, check out the socks I mentioned. Socks life's too short for cheap socks, go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. I link that and other deals in the description below, so take a look. Thank you, and now let's get back to the video. Preheat your oven and use an oven thermometer if you want precision, because consistent heat makes predictable cookies. Line your baking sheet with parchment or a silicone mat to prevent sticking and promote even browning on the bottom. Bake until the edges are set and centers look slightly underbaked. They finish cooking off the pan. Let cookies cool for a few minutes on the sheet to set, then transfer to a rack to cool completely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.